In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Clipboard on Windows 11 and 10. The Clipboard is a handy space on your computer that stores content you copy, so you can paste it somewhere else. Windows also offers a Clipboard history feature, which can remember multiple items. Let us go step by step and make sure you can open it quickly and manage what is saved. To begin, press the Windows logo key and the letter V at the same time on your keyboard. This is the fastest way to open the Clipboard history panel. You should see a small pop-up appear on your screen, usually positioned near where your typing area is. If this is your first time using it, the panel may look empty at first, or it may show only the most recent Clipboard item. Next, look at the Clipboard history pop-up that appears. If it appears empty, you will want to turn the feature on. Find the option that says Turn On, and click it. This enables Clipboard history, which allows Windows to save multiple copied items. After you turn it on, you may need to copy something again, so there is an item for the list to show. Take a moment to make sure the pop-up now displays content, or at least indicates that the feature is active. Now that the Clipboard history is visible, you can select an item to paste. From the list, click any item you want. This could be text you copied earlier, or other content that Windows captured to the Clipboard. When you select an item, Windows will place that item into your active document, such as a text editor, a browser field, or a message box. Before you click, make sure you have already clicked into the document where you want the content to go, because that is where the paste will happen. After you paste something, you might want to tidy up your Clipboard history. Windows includes options next to each item, and one of them uses a 3 dots icon. Move your attention to the item you want to manage, and find the 3 dots, which appear next to that entry in the list. This menu lets you take actions on individual items. It is useful if you want to remove items you no longer need, or keep items you want to access later. When you see the 3 dots next to an item, click them. In the menu that appears, you can choose to delete the item or pin it. If you want to remove it from your history, choose the Delete option. If you want Windows to keep that item available, choose Pin, so it stays longer and is harder to clear accidentally. Take your time here and choose the action that matches what you want to do with that particular entry. Finally, if you want to clear everything saved in your Clipboard history, you can do that from the top of the Clipboard panel. Look for a button labeled Clear All. This option wipes your saved history, which can help if you want a fresh start or if you copied sensitive or unnecessary items earlier. Press the Clear All button to remove the stored entries from the Clipboard history list. And that covers everything you need to know. You can open the Clipboard on Windows 11 and Windows 10 with Windows key plus V. Turn Clipboard history on if needed, paste items from the list, manage items with the 3 dots menu, and clear your saved history when you want. And that is all there is to it.